Hello everyone, this is Brother Tom. It's a privilege to participate in this competition organized by our two brothers. So today I brought you a number. It's a number called What Faith Can Do by Cutlass. Everybody falls sometimes, gotta find the strength to rise from the ashes and make a new beginning. Anyone can feel the ache, it seems more than you can take, but you're stronger, stronger than you know. Don't you give up now, the sun will soon be shining. You gotta face the cloud to find the silver learning. I've seen dream and move a mountain, hope that doesn't ever end, even when the sky is falling. I've seen miracles just happen, silent prayer get answered, broken heart become brand new. That's what faith can do. Doesn't matter what happened, impossible is not a word. It's just a reason for someone not to try. Everybody's scared today when they decide to take the step out all the water, but it will be alright. I was so much more than what the eyes are seeing. You will find your way, and if you keep believing. I've seen dream that move a mountain, hope that doesn't ever end, even when the sky is falling. I've seen miracles just happen, silent prayer get answered, broken heart become brand new. That's what faith can do. Overcome the odds, you don't have to change, and the world is says you can't, and I tell you that you can. I've seen dream that move a mountain, hope that doesn't ever end, even when the sky is falling. I've seen miracles just happen, silent prayer get answered, broken heart become brand new. That's what faith can do. That's what faith can do. That's what faith can do. Thank you so much, guys. Love you.